All right, guys, good morning. Wherever you find yourself, here is Ghana. So the time is 5:34 a.m. So you don't forget about the greetings. Sorry, just forget about the greetings. And this airdrop is called SPELL token. SPELL token, and it gives you invite. Per invite is 2 spell. Then daily is 1 spell, and the minimum withdrawal is 5 spell. This airdrop is ending around 30th September of this month. So as I am doing the video today, today's date is 14th. So it's left with 16 days for this airdrop to end, and their distribution is done within 12 hours. So I'll be leaving the referral link in the description box. Those on YouTube, you're getting it in the description box. The title of this video, you'll be seeing an arrow dropping down at your right hand side. So when you tap there, it will drop down a certain box. You'll be seeing the referral link in there. When you tap on the referral link, it will redirect you to Telegram bot like this. So what you have to do is go to start. You'll be seeing a certain start under it. Then so when you tap on the start, it will pop up like this. Then it will ask you to do this task. So you have to join the channel. So when you tap on the channel, when you tap on it, it will ask you to join. So let's take for example, you'll be seeing some certain join here. So after you tap on the join, it will pop up like this. Then you go back, you join the second one, then you follow them on Twitter, then Telegram channel. And so for instance, those who are new, I'm going to do the Twitter on. So when you tap on it, you open. So let's exercise patience and look at it. So to the new members, or to those who are now coming into airdrops, that is why I'm taking my time. For the old members, don't know how to do it. Alright, so when they tell you to follow, you'll be seeing the follow on top like this. So let's take for instance this one. I had already followed, so you'll be seeing following. So I had unfollowed it, so you'll be seeing it in black color like this. So what you have to do is to go to the follow, and when it tells you following, then you leave it. You come back to your Telegram bot. So after that, you join this one too. You join this one. Then you go to, let me do one of this to you so that you can understand it. You just, when you tap on it, you'll be seeing some join button under it. When you tap on it, you will join. Also, you have to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also the advertisers you have to follow on Twitter. After that, you'll be seeing submit details under it. When you tap there, they will ask you to join this one, but that one I already joined on top, the channel and the group. So you can also try it again. Tap on it. So when you check and you are done, you just have to enter your Telegram username. So mine was at senior boss. Then this one, they will just ask you to join. Then you'll be seeing done button under it. Then you go to done. So after that, they will ask you to go to Twitter. So the Twitter that you went and follow on top like this one and the second one, you just have to submit your username, Twitter username. So mine was at Dice Limited, and the YouTube that you watch, they will ask you to enter your, the YouTube that you subscribed, they will ask you to enter your email account. You can give them any email account. Okay, So after that, they will ask you to join their promoter channel and comment on the latest post. But this one, you can choose to do it. Alright, so when you tap on it and you join, you just go to the done button under it. So they will ask you to what? Submit your spell token, which is into bracket phantom wallet address. So you just have to go to your trust wallet. So when you go to your trust wallet, let's go to trust wallet. When you go to trust wallet, you go to trust wallet, go to the symbol on top like this, the symbol on top here, you tap there, then you go to search button here, then you search for spell. So they are looking for the phantom chain. So this one, they need this one. They don't need the ERC20 and the avalanche. They need the spell, the phantom. So you will take it to brew. You can tap on it, then there's it. So the coin is already working. So let's go to the details of the coin, when it started and everything. So when you go there, you go to all. So let's check when the coin started. Alright, so the coin started around 17th August 2021. So it's 1 year something now. So the coin. Alright, so the coin is still performing at 100%. So that's it. Let's go back and copy out. So they need the address, so we have to copy. So after you copy, you go back to the Telegram bot. As we are waiting for the Telegram bot to open, please kindly subscribe to the channel and also like to the video. Alright, so after that, after you've copied your phantom address, you have to paste it and submit. So after you submit, they will tell you thank you, then your name will come for participating in the giveaway, then you get your referral link and everything. So referral is to spell, then daily. This one, kindly note this for me, you have to claim a daily, to every 24 hours you have to claim one spell. Alright, so you can see that I claimed the first one, so I got one, then later. Alright, so let me go down so that you can get all the menu. We have the information. That is where you can get the contract address and everything. Alright, so everything about the airdrop is here. Alright, so when you go to stats or statistics, you will get the information that the number of referrals that you did, the balance and everything. It will give you, and it will give you the minimum. So I did another 2 referrals and I got 5 as balance. Then I withdrew the 5 to verify that if it will come or not. So when you go to withdraw, you got your minimum withdrawal, which is 5. You go to withdraw, they will ask you to enter the amount that you want to withdraw. I entered 5. I send my phantom address again, then they asked me to confirm, then I confirmed, then they told me withdrawal request is successful, send for approval. So amount, it will be completed under 12 hours. I did it around 9:48 p.m. and it was paid less than that 12 hours. I got it around 4:45 a.m. in the next morning. So this was 12. The date was 12 and 13th. I received the money in my account. So thank you very much for being here with us. Kindly keep in mind that you have to do your own research before joining any airdrop, and also do not pay any penny or any fee for any airdrop. Airdrops are 100% free. Also keep in mind that not every airdrop will succeed. Kindly subscribe to the channel and like to the video so that you'll be the first person anytime that we send in any airdrop. You will be the first person to enjoy from that project. Thank you very much. See you in another video.